Every year, more than 10 lakhs of people appeared in this examination. This examination is also known as Imtihan-e-Hind. Yes, I am talking about UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. It is the most challenging examination in the world in terms of bureaucracy. To know more about it, let's get into it. UPSC examination is also considered as the most prestigious and the elite job in India. Why? Because it is lucrative, or because the people from the various fields appeared in this examination, like doctors, engineers, humanities, and from various other fields take part into this examination. Every year, 10 lakhs of aspirants fill up the form, and only 3 lakhs appeared in the preliminary exam. And out of that 3 lakh, only 5% get selected for mains examination. And from mains, only a chunkful gets selected to sit in an interview. And from there, the passing ratio, as you can see, from 2010 to 15. Approximately 0.0099% only the student gets selected. It means 1:1010, the passing percentage. If you are thinking to prepare this examination, first ask yourself, why? Why I need to prepare this examination? Because many write this examination for the sake of family requests, peer pressure, relatives got selected in this examination, and many more reasons behind it. They don't have any plausible reason why they appear for this examination. If you are taking this decision, then take it wisely. Notification of the UPSC is out in the month of February. And for the sitting of preliminary examination, it is mostly conducted on the month of May. And approximately after 45 days, the result is to be declared. And the mains exam for UPSC is conducted mainly on October. By Jan, the results for the main exam is declared. From February to April, the interview session begins, means the final showdown. And just before the preliminary examination of the next year, they declared the interview. Hope you guys like the video and the content. In the next video, we'll discuss about the syllabus and the books which is required to prepare in this UPSC examination. Thank you.